Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to set your profile photo in the Roblox app on your PC with the latest update. Customizing your profile picture is a fantastic way to express your personality and style in the Roblox community. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your profile settings. Once you're in, navigate to your profile. You can usually find your profile by clicking on your avatar or name, depending on the layout. Next, look for the three dots labeled More on your profile page. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. Now, select Configure from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a section where you can make various adjustments to your account. Under the Avatar section, find the option that says Change next to your profile picture. Click on it to start the process of updating your image. Finally, upload the new image you want to use as your profile picture. Make sure it follows Roblox's guidelines for images, and once you've selected your new photo, confirm the upload. Your profile picture will be updated immediately. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to easily set your profile photo in the Roblox app on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.